With the new John Deere Easy Change 30-second oil change system for certain 100 series models, you can easily change the oil in just a few simple steps. No more oil messes. We'll show you the basic steps. Remember, before starting any oil maintenance, be sure to recognize safety info, understand safety signals, and be familiar with your operator's manual. The first step is to park the tractor safely on flat ground, engine off, parking brake set, deck down, and key removed. With the Easy Change oil system, the oil should be changed when the engine is cool. When you're ready, open the hood and disconnect the spark plug wires before you begin. The next step is to unpackage the new oil filter. Take the filter out of the packaging, write your machine hours and date of service on the new filter, and take off the rubber cap. To remove the Easy Change oil system, simply push and rotate the canister 90 degrees counterclockwise. Once it's loose, turn it to the upright position. Install the new system by aligning the lock symbol on the canister with the unlock symbol on the engine, and rotate the canister 90 degrees clockwise. It's locked into place when you hear the click and see that the lock symbols align. Then check the oil level using the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Reconnect the spark plug wires, then start and run the machine at idle to check for any leaks. Clean any oil from around the newly installed canister and lower the hood. To dispose of the used oil system, put the rubber cap from the new system onto the used Easy Change oil system and dispose of the filter appropriately. To purchase parts or a John Deere lawn tractor with this feature, visit your local John Deere dealer or a local Lowe's or the Home Depot. For more information, visit johndeere.com/easychange or jdparts.deere.com. Thank you for choosing John Deere.